Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to use carbon fiber red wrap to wrap the decals on my vehicle. Let's see how it works. Stay tuned. Here are some of the tools that you will need to complete this project. 1. You can use a hair dryer, or in my case I'm using a heat gun. You have the vivid red wrap, a razor blade trim, a wrapping squeegee, and a body trim. You can also use your finger to put on the wrap, which I'll show you. And as you can see, that's the blue 300, and now I'm going to make those blue red carbon fiber. As you can see, you can apply it with your finger, work it in, is very flexible. Let me heat this up just a little. You don't want to heat it up too much. If you have a hair dryer, you can also use that as well. Trying to push it into where I want the paper to go. And eventually it's going to look like the H that I did here for hybrid, of course. And I also did the index. And you don't want to get these too hot because these decals that are on vehicles are stuck on with a two-sided tape. And if you get them too hot, then they will move or come off. So apply enough heat where that you can see the item that you're going to trim around. Here are the 3 tools that I'll be using. I applied some heat to this, and I'm going around the decal, trying to squeeze out all the air bubbles. This is my first time ever applying wrap on a vehicle. I think this was the hardest part for me, is to trust my hand control to do the trimming. well is that the sharper your tool is, the better.